This time I want to talk about 3 ways to improve your credit right before you go house shopping. Hi everybody, Dave Sullivan here for The Credit Guy TV. And more than ever, it's important that you peak your score before you get pre-approved or apply for a loan. 700 credit score is no longer good enough. So what you really want to do is peak your score, and I'm going to give you 3 ways to really peak your score before a loan application. And you should do these things prior to applying. One is going to be pay down your credit card balances to 5 to 9%. And you need to do that on the statement date, or I should say before the statement date. And if you want more information about that, you can click on that here. The other thing I'm going to tell you to do is go through your credit report that you get free at annualcreditreport.com and look for accounts that are maybe dormant, that you haven't used in a while, that are in good standing, have never been late, and maybe try to reactivate those. So let's say you had a Home Depot or a Lowe's account that maybe you hadn't used in a few years. If you can charge something, a small amount, 5 to 9% on that credit card, you benefit from that long credit history. It's very important that you have as many good standing accounts available prior to applying for a loan. And if you can reactivate those older accounts and bring them back to life, it's going to really help your credit score. The third thing I want to tell you about is if you are married or if you're applying jointly, and you can help out your spouse by adding them to good credit cards. When you apply for a mortgage, they look at the mid-score of the lower spouse's credit report. So all credit reports have 3 scores. Lenders for a mortgage use the middle score, and they use the lower middle score of the 2 people applying. If you have one of the 2 of you with lower credit, and you can add them to an account that you've had for a long time, that is a great way to do it. Now, authorized users, okay, but more and more underwriters are even requiring that they be a full account holder. So if you can add them as a full account holder to an account that you've had in good standing for a long time, that's what I tell you to do. So pay your balances down to 5 to 9% before the statement date. Help your spouse out by adding them to a good credit card, and then reactivate older accounts that are dormant that you can reactivate without applying again. So don't let them pull your credit again. If you can just charge something on those, that's the way to do it. Now, I want to let you guys all know, and thanks for being a fan for so long if you have been following me, but I have added something to my services, which is I've got my real estate license now. So if you're in the Michigan mortgage market, specifically in the Metro Detroit area, please consider giving me a call for any real estate needs that you may have. Now, if you're outside of Michigan, the company I work for is part of a great network of realtors, independent realtors all over the country. And we're a member of this organization. So many of the times when people start to shop for a home, they don't talk to more than one realtor. So if you'd like to talk to more than one realtor, if you know somebody, but you should really interview 2 or 3 people, if you click on the real estate button up on my website, there's a form there that you can fill out, and then that will go to an individual that's dedicated to finding you the correct realtor in your market. Fill that form out. She will send over a contact for you in your market that's an expert, and then she will follow up with you to make sure you're happy with that specific realtor. If you're not, then she will find you another one. It's a great service, and it doesn't cost anything. So check for the real estate link on my website. You can follow that link there. That'll take you directly to it, and fill out the form, and hopefully we'll set you up with the right realtor. All right, that's Dave Sullivan with The Credit Guy TV. So you, with a little bit of me, we're going to change the credit industry. Thank you.